Have you ever seen the spirit? Quiet lakes, majestic mountains, vast plain, vibrant forest. Have you ever felt the spirit? Honest commitments, rigorous attitude, grateful sight, sweet smile. We are constantly pursuing how to improve spirit. What kind of miracle can it create? Starting with the founders, they worked hard to build a Korea. To the new generation, we inherit the tradition and grow stronger. Started from industrial gas devices and traditional manufacturing base to the advanced smart and green factory. Started from the small air separation plant for filling cylinder to the 3000 TBD oxygen generating complex. We continue to break through our limit of capacity to become the symbols of the field. Fortune Gas, industrial gas solution expert. We explore the world of cryogenics that lower than -100 degrees. Research the nature of gas and discover the potentials of gas. Gather the power of nature and condense it into the living world. We have dedicated ourselves into the field of cryogenic technology for 40 years and integrate the spirit of innovation into our instincts. Researching and developing our technology in field of air separation and rare gas plants, natural gas processing and liquefaction plants, syngas and hydrogen-related technologies, core equipments for supporting the process package, BOO, etc. We inherit the striver spirit to ensure reliable quality by strict verification, to pursue superior solution with exquisite skills. We continuously focus on improvement and innovation, aiming at occupying the leading position in the field. We are here to help our clients to achieve their target. We care for our clients from every detail, provide safe and most suitable customized plant solutions to our clients with high efficiency. From technical consulting to proposal design, from equipment manufacturing to product testing, from on-site service to remote support. We provide project management and technical service throughout the entire lifetime of project. Keep promise through professionalism. Win trust through integrity. The client's success makes us glorious. Future is coming. Here are chances. We are the pioneers. As the first enterprise to put forward overseas strategy in China's cryogenic industry, Fortune Gas has already spread its footprint all over the world. We gather a variety of superior resources, focus on the development of overseas markets. We cooperate with the world's advanced enterprises and provide services to the world-class clients. During the process of developing the international market, we successfully enhanced our capabilities. We are the explorers. From natural gas, coal chemical, petrochemical, iron and steel, non-ferrous metallurgy and nuclear power to aerospace, semiconductor, polycrystalline silicon, new energy batteries, and hydrogen energy. We lead in cryogenic equipment technology, expand into strategic and emerging sectors, and undertake sustainable development as our mission to create a green future for the industry. We adhere to the concept of continuous innovation, commitment, and our mission, making the spirit of Fortune Gas extraordinary. Where the gas is needed, where we will reach. Fortune Gas, worldwide gas solution provider. Hangzhou Fortune Gas Cryogenic Group Company Limited.